The Norfolk County Sheriff's Office warning about an ongoing scam as they pay tribute to some special employees this week. And joining us this morning to explain is Sheriff Patrick McDermott. Sheriff, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Dan. Thanks for having me as always.
So as I mentioned, you want to get the word out about a scam that seems to involve jury duty.
Yeah, this is just one of many scams that consistently pops up on the radar screen. And tragically on this one, we heard from a man from Bourne, Massachusetts, who called our office within the last week after losing, and this is staggering, $68,000 to a jury duty scam. You know, the scammers tell the guy that they work for our office and that he was going to face arrest if he didn't pay up this fee. And I just want to let the public know that the Sheriff's Office, Norfolk, Plymouth, any of the Sheriff's Office, local law enforcement are never going to call you with a demand like this, and neither will any of the local officials. We can't stress this enough. These are scammers out there. We just need people to hang up on them. Certainly report these issues to local police departments or the Sheriff's Office. They may sound intimidating. They're really good at it to convince you that they're who they are, but you just got to hang up and report the call. And we just don't want anybody seeing anybody losing their hard-earned money. But these calls are going to continue to do because they are lucrative and people do tragically fall victim to them.
And now, any idea who's behind this scam yet?
Tragically, we don't. And, you know, normally these actors are overseas. The money is virtually untraceable once it's gone. I've engaged with the FBI and their high-level tech people, and it is really one of the toughest things to track down. And no sooner do you have access to any kind of trail, then it just goes into a black zone. You can't find these folks, and so we need to stop it right up front. Hang up the call, report it to police so we can log it. But other than that, just don't take any action.
Very well. And on a more positive note, this is both National Correctional Officers Week and National Nurses Week. We
celebrate this at the Norfolk County Sheriff's Office along with sheriff's offices and correctional facilities throughout the country. Our officers and nurses work hand in hand, and this is 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 a year to maintain that healthy and secure environment for the individuals that are coming into our care and custody at the Correctional Center in Dedham. And we've had generations of corrections officers walk through our doors since 1793, carrying that torch of public safety and law enforcement. And our healthcare unit, critical to supporting that success. We have a lot of individuals with critical healthcare needs, and there's over 7,000 justice-involved patients alone in 2024 that our nurses work closely with our officers to ensure that care and custody is done. And healthcare is a dynamic personal calling, and pursuing that calling inside a correctional center is complex. So we're really thankful for our nurses, for our corrections officers. They answer the call every day, every shift.
And they have to wear a lot of hats in doing that job, I also imagine.
Well, you know, nurses, they're the first line of contact with some of these men who are going through mental health crises, substance use disorder, and they also serve as, mentors, coaches, advisors. But, that's the first line of defense that I've often said, and our sheriffs across the Commonwealth say, we have the opportunity for second chances for these individuals, and we're the ones that are charged with making sure that we produce a better product. So when these men and women come back to live into the community, they're better served by having come and worked with our corrections officers, our nurses, and our various programs in the sheriff's offices.
All right, Sheriff. Well, we're going to have to leave it right there, but thank you so much for speaking with us. We do appreciate it.
Have a great day, Dan. Thank you.
Thank you as well. Norfolk County Sheriff Patrick McDermott.